Hi, Joe here at Intelligent Labor and Moving. Today I'll be showing you how to properly pack table lamps and shades. First off, you want to make sure that your hands are clean before you touch the shade because you don't want to get fingerprints on it. These pick up fingerprints really easy. The lamp shades are probably the only thing that I'll ever put in a box without taping the box. What I mean by that is folding the flaps into each other like so. And then it's perfectly fine to do that on the top of the box too when you close it up. Always label the box lampshade. That will go on top of the load in the truck so that nothing gets packed on top of it. Next, with the lamp, you want to get your cord out of the way, coiling it around, just tie it, just to keep it out of the way so it's not dangling, gonna snag on anything. And I always like to wrap the bulbs in a separate piece of paper. Unless you're dealing with a lot of lamps, then you can have a box for all the bulbs to go in. But if you're just dealing with one lamp, wrap the bulb in a piece of paper, label it so that somebody knows it's not just a crushed piece of paper. Lamps, unlike most fragiles, you're going to pack around it rather than wrapping it in paper before it goes in the box. So first you want to make sure you get your crushed paper in the bottom of the box. Take your lamp. When you're done filling the box with crushed paper, making sure that the lamp is completely surrounded and there's no space left in the box for it to bounce around, you always want to make sure you seal it up and label it fragile. And most lamps you want to have on the top of the load, so write TLO for top load only. And that's pretty much how you pack lamps.